everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Siddhi Mapsankar, your fashion bestie, bringing you all the insider knowledge on fashion careers, colleges and industry secrets. Today's video is super exciting because we are talking about the top fashion schools in Delhi. The city that's not just India's capital but also the fashion capital for many budding designers. If you're dreaming of studying in Delhi, stay with me till the end because I'm going to cover admission, fees, alumni and my final recommendation. Let's dive in. So firstly, why Delhi for fashion? Before we jump to colleges, let's quickly talk about why Delhi is such a hotspot. Now, Delhi is home to India's Fashion Week, top designers like Tarun Tahiliani, Ritu Kumar, Rohit Bal and countless export houses and fashion media. This means that as a student, you literally are in the center of industry action. Plus, being in the capital city, Delhi attracts talent from all across the country. So the first college is NIFT Delhi, the crown jewel. Let's start with the biggest name, which is National Institute of Fashion Technology. It is established in 1986. It's literally India's first fashion college. It offers design, technology and management programs. Famous alumni include Manish Arora, Ritu Beri and of course Rohit Bal. Admissions is through NIFT entrance exam, which is written, situation test and an interview. Fees are anywhere around 15 to 20 lakhs for a 4-year course. Now placements include amazing connections with Myntra, Raymond's, H&M and so on. Now if you want prestige, global recognition and a high quality education, NIFT Delhi is your best bet. Next up we have Pearl Academy. This is one of the most popular private fashion schools in Delhi. They offer undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma programs in design, fashion and communication. Now, this college is known for its strong industry exposure, global exposure and international faculty. Fees are around 20 to 25 lakhs for undergrad programs. Pearl has its own admission test and interview. Now, designers like Mandira Work, Nikhil Mehra of Shantanu and Nikhil and stylists of Bollywood have been alumni of this college. Pearl is very creative, experimental and modern. So if you want a private school with international exposure, then Pearl is a great choice. Next up, we have National Institute of Design, Delhi campus. Now, you might know NID Ahmedabad is the OG, but Delhi also has NID campus, focus more on design innovations. Courses typically include postgraduate and specialized design programs. The entrance is through NID Design Aptitude Test. Fees are anywhere around 4 to 5 lakhs because it is government aided, so much more affordable. Alumni include leaders in design research, fashion innovation and communication. NID Delhi is small compared to NIFT, but it's a very prestigious for those who are looking at design research and innovation. Want to try your hand at fashion design? Join me, Siddhi Mapsankar, in our 3-day fashion design workshop, specially crafted for beginners and creative minds. In just 3 days, you will learn fashion sketching, fabric play and create your own original design, even if you've never drawn before. Just click the link in the description to grab your spot in our upcoming batch. Seats are limited, guys, so don't wait. Let's design something awesome together. See you at the workshop. And next up, we have JD Institute of Fashion Technology. Another big private player in Delhi is JD Institute of Fashion Technology. Offers fashion design, interior design and also jewelry design courses. Now admissions are direct with portfolio and interview. Fees are anywhere around 6 to 8 lakhs for an undergrad program. Alumni includes designers like Rocky S and Shane and Falguni Peacock, who are international runway regulars. Now JD is very career driven, great for practical projects and connects you directly with events and fashion weeks. Next up we have FTDI. Now here's one that's slightly underrated but super powerful. FTDI, which is Noida campus just near Delhi, focuses on footwear, leather and retail design. It is a government institute under the Ministry of Commerce. Fees are anywhere around 7 to 8 lakhs for an undergrad program. Placements include a stronghold in big corporates like Nike, Adidas, Bata, High Design and so on. So if you're interested in footwear or accessory, FTDI Delhi is your goldmine. So now let's quickly compare. NIFT Delhi is best for prestige placements, alumni network. Pearl Academy is best known for their private global exposure. NID Delhi is best for design research and innovation. JDU Institute, on the other hand, is best for career or driven creative projects. FDDI, best for footwear and retail design. My tip is always check the curriculum, alumni, faculty and placements before you decide. Now, fees are really important, but return on investment is everything. If your dream is in fashion entrepreneurship, don't ignore colleges that also teach business modules. If you're somebody who dreams of becoming a fashion designer and for some reason cannot get into any colleges, worry not, you can learn all the fashion knowledge at CEFT with our short-term courses. Do have a look at it. So those were the top fashion schools in Delhi, each with its own strengths and vibe. Remember, the right college is the one that matches your dream. Tell me more in the comments, which of these colleges are you considering to get into? I would love to guide you more on this admission process and career path. So if there's anything that you need to know, please drop your comments. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fashion buddies and hit that subscribe button. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until I see you again, this is me, Siddhi Mapsenkar, signing off. Lots of love. God bless.